Now you can lift off now. Well, I need a lot of headroom, so I can't do it in my workshop. I have to take it to the field. I've just crashed it right now. Look at that. So let's go to the field. We'll do it on the field. Well, this is the USB to charge the batteries as well as the remote control. The remote control is a rechargeable one, as well as the batteries here. Put it here and plug it to okay. Extra props. A bunch of it though, so I can replace the whole of it. That's for A and B. Not bad. Charge the battery, or one USB for three. For three rechargeables is somehow, if you ask me. I want to charge three stuff. So let's see what this is. This is SG248 and the road jet around 49. That is questionable, you know. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? There's USB ports. Memory stick, memory card ports. Got the flow sensor. Yeah. There's nothing here. The 2-axis gimbal. Look at that. Just 2-axis. Right. This. $78 grams or 79. $272 grams with the battery, but without the battery, right? 182. That's under 249 without the battery, right? But with the battery, like 270. It's like the batteries are heavier than each other or something, right? It's 89. 87. 89, 90. 87. So the way this thing is ordered is that I bought a whole system and I asked the seller to ship an extra battery. So it's obvious there is a little bit variation in the extra battery that doesn't come with the drone itself. So that I mean, if not, this thing should be of the same weight. But one can actually argue that, well, it's just about 2 gram difference. But then I was expecting something of no difference, right? This is 145 with the lithium ion in it. This just to confirm what they wrote here, 249, knowing that legislation is not required or registration is not required if your drone is under 250 gram. So this is what we've got. 271, 272. If it's with the other battery, to be 270, 269, thereabouts. I just wanted to clear that. So we can do a little flight test. Deep sound from the remote. That's about 3 times. That's another deep sound. Look at the Jew. Look at the gimbal. Can you see? Look at that. That's the work of gimbal. So, because all of this is completed now, to start, you move it outside. As I started, you can use one button to pick it up. Okay, the GPS has to be on. This must function very well, so you put it on, right? Then you can start. Then you can lift off now. Well, I need a lot of headroom, so I can't do it in my workshop. I have to take it to the field. I've just crashed it right now. Look at that. So let's go to the field. We'll do it on the field. The type H Form Pro, right? Then you install. Yeah, that's the start and home button. Let's take it up a little. So one thing I've noticed that is balance in the air. Where is it? Okay. Back up for it. So it's balanced in the air, and that is one of the advantages of this system. So because I'm moving closer now, it's going to adjust. There is this flow sensor under it. Then we can start the test now and see. That's almost perfect. That's almost perfect. It landed right, started right from the front here, if you remember. And now it's back. So let's give it a try one more time. Let's give it a try. Let's see. That's how balanced it is. it has obstacle avoidance, you will even get there because of, you know. Let's see how far it can go. Let's take it up. Oh. Ah. The battery is low. Let's go that much further again. Like it has a particular height it loves to descend from.